Hello guys, today I'll show you how to play Solar Ants Mobile Warfare. So this is a good game for playing it some. So here I have an 37 level. So here I have to operate my Dunzo. It's operating. I have to go to the map. Oh, my NX are. My NX, why? My NX. I will I will attack someone's NX. Attack, no, I will attack someone's NX. Oh, this body tracks, I don't know, 37 also like me, it's attacked also, this is attacked. Oh, very bad this. It's very bad, not very good. So here, I'm training my units. I will take this and I'll start. Take this and make it start. No. 10 minutes, no. I want for this man, I want only for 10 minutes. So here I am, my customer. Hello, customer. I have the storage. Let's go to storage. I have 4 things. I have to open it. I have to open it. Oh, get a key card. I understand. So here I have to come to my where is my things? My things. I'm going here. Boom. Oh, what my goodness, it's very big. It's very nice. This is some. So I need the money meet. So I need to undertake one more. Oh, come on, man, come on. Turn radio on. Hello, human man. Hello, I don't lie. Hello. So this is the game. It's a very nice. Its name is what? Solar Ants Mobile Warfare. So thanks for watching. Bye.